Using the size 10 thread yarn, I measured about 25 inches in length, and then loop it on top and tape it. Leave about an 1.5 inch loop on top, and then on the ends here you can sew on some needles with thread. So you can use your thread needle inside the pearl to attach it, and on the other side do the same thing, and then move the pearl up on top to create the bracelet, and then just repeat that for about 20 or so, 18 to about 20 or so pearls, depending on how long you would like it for your wrist. You can measure around your wrist to see how long. But with the loop part, make sure it fits around your wrist, and then the loop part, make sure you have a knot that's about 1 inch in the center, and then with the loop part of it, you're going to tie it, but without closing it all the way. Insert the other side until it goes up to the knot part of that side, and then you can pull the loop, and it allows you to adjust the bracelet back and forth so you can fit it around your wrist. You can add more pearls if you don't want the gap there, but then you can take it and you can adjust it back and forth. And this is how you make the bracelet. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.